Hey YouTube, this is Katie Garcia. So I wanted to get some bed rails for a bunk bed that I had just gotten for our kids, my husband and I. And so I was looking around. I'm kind of crazy and I do a lot of research. So I really like these ones right here, the reviews. They look pretty good compared to after I did all my research. So these are bed rails for toddlers. Extra long toddler bed rail guards for kids, twins, double, full size queen and king mattress and so forth. So anyways, and I wanted a long one. I like this one right here, and that one's the extra long one. It's $69.99 on Amazon, and then also they have a regular one which is a lot smaller for $39.99. And so anyway, so my husband went ahead, we received these, and he started to put them together. So you can see him in the video right now of him putting them together. And I really liked them. I liked the fact that I was able to, we were able to put both of them on the beds. And I'll even show you a video of my son sleeping at night. He actually is 6 years old, and he sleeps right up against them. And I really like them. I feel like they're pretty safe. And I like the fact that we were able to kind of put two on. A lot of the bed rails that I looked online didn't allow you to, you had to have a box spring to be able to put the bed rail on it. And this product, you can see right here, you don't have to have a, what am I trying to say? You don't have to have a box spring to be able to put this bed rail on. So I really, really like that. And of course, I was curious how big it is and stuff. So you'll be able to see looking at our video. All right, so my husband is putting together the bed rail for our bunk beds that we just bought online at Amazon. And you can see we've got the large one. This is, I think, 5 feet. And anyways, I'll put it in the description. Yeah, and so you can see right here, it's huge. And we're going to go put it in right now. Let's do it. You can see Matt up there on our bunk bed. And you can see how tall it is right here. So here it is. It's pretty tall. Ain't
nobody getting over that.
Because our bunk bed's pretty tall.
Not with this and then that on top of it.
Wow. That's pretty cool. All right. So you're going to put it down?
Yeah, I got to make a couple of... There's a couple of pilot holes that are going to need to be made. You got one here, one there, same on the other side. So I'm actually going to screw it into the wood slats of the bunk bed. So let's get that done. I ain't going nowhere.
You did this side already?
Yes. Alright, so I just did the ComfyBumpy 5-footer, and it was a breeze. It was really easy to put together. Pretty much self-explanatory. I read through the rules just to make sure I was doing it right, the exact way they wanted it done. But it's pretty much self-explanatory when it comes to putting this thing together. They're very user-friendly. I got it into the bed easy. It was only a couple of, like 4 drill holes, 4 screws. So now we're going to do the second one because my wife is ultra paranoid. So we have one for the top half of the bed for the kids too. And this one is, I believe, a 5-footer? No, 3-footer. Assembled. 5 minutes of my time and I'm done. 4 drill holes and a couple of screws, and my wife will be happy with our kids sleeping on the top bunk. So let's go get it in.
I had Matt put one on this side as well, just for make me feel safe. And the only downside is that we have this extra piece of big wood here, so we can't put ours on the outside because this is actually supposed to be able to open. But you can see it's very, very tall, because if we come around here, let's go up our little steps. Right here, you can see my husband, who is a lot bigger than a child. He's not gonna fall out. And then you can see over there, we have the side rail too. So anyway, so it's a lot better with our kids sleeping here at night with these. And they feel pretty good. Anyways, very cool. See, our kids are up here, and it's still pretty tall. Hey, it looks a lot better.
What do you think of the guardrail?
Watch, let me show you if I try to roll. So just imagine a bed right here.
Good job, Atreyu. Woohoo!
My head's not good.
A lot harder to roll off, huh? That looks good. Harley too. Whoa, Harley, you're not even way up here. That's great. That looks good. Yes, Abby. That looks good. Very cool. Look how long it is. One other thing I want to mention about the bed rails is my husband said he liked them. They were fast. It was easy to put on and stuff. But unfortunately, because our bunk bed's a little higher, our bed rails can't open up. But it says in here that they're supposed to be able to swing down, but we weren't able to do that, so I can't really get a review on that. But overall, I liked them. I thought they're nice, they're big, they're long, they were breathable. And so anyway, so if you are interested, I have an Amazon affiliate link down below. Other than that, if you guys like this video and you want to see more reviews in terms of mommy stuff, or if you would like to be interested in learning how to make passive income eventually to maybe become a stay-at-home mom or anything like that, feel free to follow me, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!